Here we have a 70 plate BMW M135i XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras. Just to mention one though, we do have the M135i Plus package. We also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. The Misano blue metallic paintwork. We also have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also the gloss black front splitter. There's a look at that front end. Now we do have the M Performance kit, so as we walk around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We have colour coded door handles, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the M Sport suspension. Got the shark fin antennae up top, along with the gloss black rear spoiler, which sits nice and aggressively. We do have the front and rear parking sensors as well, with a visual display inside and an audible warning. Round to the rear, you find the rear diffuser, dual legs exhaust, which really do sound incredible, and we also have the M135i badging on the right hand side. Coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, inside of the back first, you'll find the cloth interior, got the blue stitching, M Sport seat belts, fixed ISO points as well back here, ambient lighting on the doors, electric windows as well. Having a look at the front, you find the same cloth interior with the M Sport seats, really comfortable seats, and both the front ones are heated. Got the Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the electric power folding mirrors, electric windows, so child lock for the rear, automatic lights down there, automatic wipers just here, multifunctional steering wheel which is also heated. Now if we take a seat inside, then you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. Got cruise control, speed limiter just here, paddle shifters either side as well. We also have the button just here to activate or deactivate the heated steering wheel. As you can see, we are also free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We do have the main screen here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav. It also has many more features, so if we quickly go through them, got the shortcuts down here. Click onto media, you'll find the radio stations along with the other media options just here on the left hand side. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We do also have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle. If we go onto the main menu and then go over to the car, onto settings, you find the interior lighting just here, many colours which you can choose from. So for example, go to orange, then you'll find it will change the colours to orange. If we look in the back just there where it's darker, we have the intelligent safety system as well, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Moving further down, you'll find the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, got the ice-cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on either side, all working as it should do. Cup holders and some storage space. We have a USB port and a 12-volt connectivity, automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. So if you just press here, you find the Eco Pro, Comfort, and also the Sport drive modes as well. Also changes the dashboard for different drive modes, as you can see just there. And if you put the car into reverse, you find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park, and then we have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M135i XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, we have to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now veering off to the left or to the right hand side but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side, so if you want to stick the car into manual mode, simply tap on the paddles and it will change gear. We do also have the cruise control on the speed limiter buttons just here on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. Now the steering wheel is also heated. We can press this button just here in the centre and it will activate the heated steering wheel. We've got a digital dashboard in front of us. We can show it different displays and different features you would have seen on the photos. We do also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the M Sport seats in this vehicle, really comfortable seats, easy to do 2, 3, over 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we do have many more features on the interior of this vehicle. For example, the ambient lighting, which runs across the doors just here, looks really nice, especially at night time. We have the main screen here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav, but also has many more features you would have seen on the photos. For example, the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity. We've got the button just here for the intelligent safety system, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers and the air conditioning, automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park where a well performed emergency stop, put the car into reverse just to show the brakes and also the parking sensors work as they should do. So we've got our right indicator on, we're starting to slow down and we're waiting for the traffic to pass before we make the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So taking the turn now onto the industrial park, perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1, hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the parking sensors up here on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all and answer questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.